Patient X has been prescribed 65 milligrams. 65 milligrams prescribed of this stuff. Stock dose is 100 milligrams in 2 mils. So somewhere sitting on the shelf we have a little, imagine we have a glass jar and there's 2 mils of stuff floating around in it, and in the 2 mils there's 100 milligrams. How much fluid will you administer? Well, first thing is to do a unit check, right? And you see we have milligrams here and milligrams here, so we're okay with the units. And now how much of the fluid, so that's volume, we need our volume formula. So our volume, VOL, equals the amount prescribed multiplied by the unit volume, and then it's all divided by the amount per unit volume. Right, so we're just looking for three figures. The amount prescribed there is 65 milligrams multiplied by the unit volume. That's the volume the stuff comes in, and that's 2 mils all over the amount per unit volume, and that's the amount in each unit of storage. So that's 100 milligrams, and that goes down here. And now we can cancel. And you see we can cancel milligrams with milligrams, and then we can divide 2 into 2 goes once, 2 into 100 goes 50 times. And further then 5 is divisible into both 50 and 65. 5 into 50 goes 10 times, and 5 into 65 goes 13 times. So that cleans up to be 13 over 10. And so 13 divided by 10, hop the decimal point in once there, and we get 1.3. And the answer, you see, mils didn't cancel, so we have 1.3 mils. Does it make sense? Well, you see, if we gave them 2 mils, or if we gave them 2 mils, the patient would receive 100 mgs. That'd be an overdose. If we gave them 1 mil, they would receive 50 mgs. That'd be an underdose. So 1.3 seems about right.